do yourself a favor. If you are replacing a kitchen faucet or the lines that lead to your kitchen faucet, pick up a set of these. These are under-sink wrenches, and I know they look kind of funky and weird, but they are an absolute lifesaver. Fortunately, I couldn't get a great angle of this. I tried to get an angle of this when we were fixing, installing our faucet under our sink, but there wasn't a great angle because of how our sink sits. But just to give you an idea of how these work, as you're working under a sink, you know it's very tight. There's a lot of lines and pipes and things like that. And there's some awkward shaped hardware. Like as you were sitting the actual faucet in there, you know it's got that plastic four corner star piece that's coming down from a threaded pipe. Well, this is a wrench specifically designed to tighten those up. And on the other side of it, it actually has the common nut sizes of your lines, of the hoses, the compression hoses that you see on there, so that it can be a quick and easy install for you as you are switching things out, whether it's a new faucet or just replacing some lines. If you're a handyman, got a DIYer in your life, or you're just planning on a quick and easy switch out on your own, man, check these out. Grab a set. They're great to keep in the garage, in your tool bag, just in case. I think you're going to love them.